Park Hyo Shin releases MV teaser for Sound of Winter. Park Hyo Shin has released an official teaser for his upcoming single, Sound of Winter. It appears that Park Hyo Shin is almost ready to finally release his much-anticipated single. In the teaser video, a beautiful animation can be seen in which one single house lies in the middle of a wintry field with the camera zooming through the window. Additionally, the amazing voice of the artist can be heard in the background. Check out the clip above. Sound of Winter will be available through various music sites on January 1 at 12:01 a.m. KST.